Hey guys, if you can't sign into your Xbox Live account, there's this website. So I'm going to give you the link down here below, and you guys can see something like this that it would say, alright? So right now it's saying that it's limited, Xbox Live Core services. So that might be the problem why you guys can't sign in. And all you guys have to do is wait to see what happens, okay? So you guys will see that in this website. I'm going to give you the link down here, so it doesn't really matter when you're watching this video. The link will always work. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.